All right. We've crashed 5 times already. I'm giving up on the Twitch stream for today, but we're going to continue and try to get something done here locally. So let's give it a shot. So the problem is our frets held table is not being populated correctly for our mobile detection. So we have here, let me okay. So right here, we're inserting values into the frets held table. Now, I think this is actually wrong looking at it, because what we're oh no. So table.insert takes in a table and then a value to insert into the table, but table.remove takes in a table and a key to remove. So we have to kind of do this cycle through our frets held, check the value for its equality to 1, remove frets held at key of 1. So, or key, yeah, whichever key has the value equal to 1, because we released O, that's what we're removing. And this works, like this works fine on right here. Because if we pull up our loot, oh, look at that. We're inserting multiple values, and I don't know why. Probably because we're inserting and then we're inserting the highest. So if we were to say, yeah, let's take this out. Okay. So yeah, so this is why we had to do this highest method here, because if we hold both 1 and 2, it says 1 and 2, which technically are the frets held, but frets held needs to just give us 1 value. Sorry, I'm cutting it on the stream. Twitch is just not happening today. So we need to remove this value. We need to only keep the highest value in here. So if we toggle this on, we set highest to 0, we cycle through our frets held, we keep track of the highest, then we need to flush our frets held table to be empty, and then we give it only the highest value. Okay. So that's looking right for the keyboard touch, but we need to do the touch detection on mobile. Okay. So, what do we do? If our highest is being taken care of for us, then we just need to make sure frets held table gets populated on any time this is in here. So we need to say not upon a was touched. We need not was touched, but we need the continuous input. But we need to only insert it once. We only need to insert it if it's not already in there. So what we can do is, you know, we have to basically say like, fret 1 count, and then we're gonna cycle through for I gets 1 comma number of frets held. We're gonna say if this is wrong. So basically we want to only insert this 1 into frets held if there is no 1 in our frets held table. So we need to cycle through our frets held table. So we'll just say for I gets 1 of our frets held, if see, we need the key, so we need to say for key value I think we need to say if the value is equal to 1, the number, then we would increment fret 1 count by 1. I mean, I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but we're counting how many 1 frets are in there, and we only want to insert 1 into frets held if the fret 1 count is 0 still. So like if there isn't already a fret 1 in there, that's when we'd want to insert fret 1. And then something similar here where we would say fret 2 count. Fret 2 count, we cycle through our frets held table. If the value's equal to 2, meaning there's already a 2 in our frets held table, then we're going to say fret 2 count is going to get counted. And then if we only insert a 2 into our frets held table, if our fret 2 count is equal to 0, meaning we don't already have a 2 in there. So then we're going to do our highest. So let's test this on mobile. So we're going to say this is testing fret held input on mobile. Okay, let's test it out. Nice. That's it. So check it. If we hold more than 1 fret inputs, then we get that. So now this looks to be working. So I think if we can get sound working here, I think it might. Here, I'm going to connect. I'm going to take this out. You know what? Yeah, we're not strumming. Fuck, we're not strumming our D-pad. That works fine. We're not strumming our D-pad anymore, which... Why? Okay, we're not strumming our D-pad anymore. And I think it's because we only play the sound based on a frets held. No, if frets held is 0, okay. Yeah, why? Okay, so this should all work because we're asking if it's... Yeah, we should work. Let me make sure is this thing on isn't working still. Because that's what I don't get. It's not in there. Let me try something else. Yeah, let me try here. Yeah, we still have the is this on? We don't... What the... Where did we break? Where did we break this? Where did we break this? Because it's like... Is it not working here either? Oh my god, where did we break this? We're playing the sounds on a W press. Yeah, dude, what is going on? We're playing the sounds. So, and refreshing the animations. So why is that the case? This is all in the loot class. You know, part of me thinks that this is wrong. But that shouldn't matter. That shouldn't matter for playing the sounds. Okay, we can't play it if frets held is 0 for some reason. But we're saying when we go to play these sounds... Oh, and you know what? Yeah, we might have to do all of this before we play all the sounds, which we are doing. Why? Why is it not playing if there's no frets being held? Let me see if mobile's working for that. Yeah, what the heck? Okay, we're right there. We're super close to having frets working on mobile. It's just that they don't strum here. So like this one is what's messing up, right? It's the if frets held is equal to 0. If there are no frets held and D was pressed, then we play. But what's weird is it's messed up on touch too. So like, I guess it's not, yeah, if this is the keyboard touch, where the heck are we strumming? How are we strumming on touch? That's what I actually don't get, how we're doing that. Okay, here's the strumming on touch. Okay, so yeah, I think we just need to set our... Yeah, let's do this after we get our frets held, because that won't be appropriate until after we have our frets held, and then we'll test that. So if that, what the, okay, cycle through our touches. We'll just put that after our frets held stuff. So we do all of our frets held stuff, and then there we go. Okay, so that should be touch, and then we're doing keyboard. So let's see. Why? Why? Whatever, the frets held 0, but we're printing up what frets held is and it's 0. Oh, it's literally 0. It's literally 0. Okay. So maybe the move is, when are we adding 0 in there? Oh, right here we're saying highest is 0. Okay. Okay, we literally add 0 in there. Okay, so the issue here is that we need to test not the number operator on the frets held table, but the value of frets held 1 to be equal to 0, because now that's the case. So this should be index 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let's go do the fast way. Frets held, frets held. Oh my god. Okay, how many more we got? More. Let's just go to the end. We'll substitute any frets. We'll substitute any number of frets held, and we'll replace it with frets held index 1. Okay, let's try it now. Perfect. Now, what's really weird, and what I still don't get, is that we have this, is this on our mobile deployment, but look, right here, it isn't on. We don't have the, is this on? So if by the time we commit and push, we'll say this, we'll say fixed open string strum. Let's test it on Mac here and see. See, we still have the is this on. That is not right. That is the weirdest thing I've ever experienced. We got the code for the loot. We must have added this. We must have added this only on the Mac distribution here. Okay. It's weird because it's like, this is like, we had fixed this already. See, it thinks it's Fred's held as 1, but it is not. Driving me crazy, man. I swear we literally just fixed this. Okay, we literally broke something. We broke something in the last commit here. So what the hell did we break? Fred's held, Fred's held. I think we want to undo our last commit here. Yeah, okay, so here, well, let's do this. We'll check out our last one. Okay. And then this should be working. We just need to fix our open string strum. Okay. Okay, so I think what happened is we replaced an incorrect frets held index 1. So if we kind of go backwards and look at the last, oh come on. Well, this one we missed. That's for sure. Oh, this is the last commit. Okay. Okay. So here, what I want to do is check the number frets held. There's 18 of these. Okay, so this one we replaced for, at least for rendering, might have been screwed up. Yeah, you know what I want to do? I don't want to add 0. This was working, and then we broke it. So I think I want to leave this here. I want to leave our frets held 0, which means we need to not insert 0 in the highest when we go to insert highest. Because highest is becoming 0, we need to say if highest does not equal 0, then go ahead and insert it. Leave it empty otherwise. So now we shouldn't see 0 in the highest table anymore. Yeah, it should just be empty. Cool. Let's try that. So let's add this and say testing frets 1 and 2 on mobile. And then we have to do something dirty here. How do you do just like this, yeah? What do you mean? Ah. Yeah, how do we overwrite this? How do we say how do I do this? We want to do here, let's get out of get fugitive. Okay, so I think what we want to do, let's see. This is the testing 1 and 2 on mobile. So what we want to do is we'll switch back. And here's our main. Look at, you are leaving a commit behind if you want to keep it. What? Is it gone? Yeah. What the fuck? I do not know how to do this. I don't know what I screwed up in the latest commit, but I want to undo it. So let me see here. Let's try this. So we're going to get reset to our okay. So now what we want to do is do that fix, which is in the highest. Nope. It should be in the loot class here. Okay. So we only want to insert highest into our frets held table if highest does not equal 0. Okay, let's try that. And then, yeah, let's try to do that. And we'll say that this is hopefully fix for frets 1 and 2 on. And we'll do a push. Okay. Okay, let's try it. All right, let's pray this works. works. It works. It works. It works. Okay. I'm losing my mind. We got it. We got it. It was messy. It was awful, but we got it. It's working on mobile. We can move forward. We'll have to change our notes, our note tablature stuff, so that it resets upon resetting the loot state, as well as doesn't have frets 3 and 4 because we no longer have that because we're going with the Game Boy setup. So we got that at least. So I'll call it a night. A little update for the channel. Tuesdays and Thursdays this month in October, I am not going to be streaming because I have a class, a programming class. That's at 6 to 9 p.m. So that with working, I just can't swing streaming. So Tuesdays, Thursdays in October, I'll be off of streaming. Hopefully I'll be back for the rest of the days to keep up some Tashio development, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.